Okay, here we are back for day 2 of more addition and telling time. Okay, here we go. The first problem on page adding with no regrouping B is 11 plus 22. Okay, so we know 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So our answer will be 33. And even though these were the same on both sides, we should still always make the habit of starting on the right side, which is the ones place, okay? So we start on the ones, go to the tens, and so on. And you'll understand why later when the problems get harder. Okay. Next problem, 17 plus 40. Okay, so we have 7 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 17 plus 40 is 57. Okay, and the third problem, we're adding 10 plus 50. Oops, so 0 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So 10 plus 50 is 60. Pretty simple, huh? All right. Okay, next we're going to talk about time to the half hour. Okay, yesterday we talked about time to the hour, and in order for it to be time to the hour hour hand, which is the big hand, has to be on the 12, and then the minute hand, I'm saying this backwards. The minute hand has to be on the 12, and the hour hand will be pointing exactly to the hour that it is. So like right now, both of these are on the 12, so it's 12 o'clock. But if I make this minute hand go around all the way one time, it is now 1 o'clock, okay? And yesterday we talked about how each of these little dots, if you can see those well, each of these little dots stands for a minute. And so by the time we go from 12 to 1, there's 5 minutes. And if we do our skip counting with 5s, we know that this is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and on the 6 is 30. So this is how this works. So right now this says 1 o'clock. Now if I move this, now if you notice while I'm moving the minute hand, the hour hand starts to move slowly to the next number. And by the time I get to the 6, it's halfway in between the 1 and the 2. Now when it's on the 6, that means this is 1:30 because we skip counted. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now if I kept going, this would be 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And there's 60 minutes in an hour. So if this went all the way back, I'm sorry, I keep telling this. If it went all the way back to 12, then we would be at 2 o'clock. Okay? So in order to be time to the half hour, we're going to have the hour hand. The hour hand will be in between. Here, I'm going to change this around a little bit. We'll come to a different time. All right, so this says 6 o'clock, okay? If I wanted to say 6:30, then I'm going to move this hour hand all the way around to the 6. But if you notice, then the red, the minute hand, I don't know why I keep calling it the wrong thing. I'm sorry. The minute hand is the long one. The hour hand is the short one. And if you think of it this way, minute is a longer word than hour. So the hour hand will be in between the 6 and the 7. So let's try another one. Let's go around a couple times. All right, now we're at 8 o'clock. If the minute hand moves around to the 6, now we're going to be at 8:30. And do you notice that the hour hand is right in between the 8 and the 9? Okay, so it stays, the hour hand stays with the hour that is the number that goes before it. Because until it gets to the next number, it's still with that first number. Okay? I hope this was clear. I'm sorry. Let me do a couple more. Let's see. So here, I'm going to go around and let's see. Now we're on 10 o'clock. So go down to the 6, and now we're at 10:30. Now, it's right in between the 10 and the 11, so it still stays with the 10. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, please call me. I know your mom and your grandma know how to tell time too, but anyway, I'm here to help, and so that's where we're at today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. All right. Have a good evening. Bye.